Well, thank you very much for that panel discussion. That was really a lovely way to end the day. And I think we've had some fantastic discussions throughout the day. So now we're going to move on to our final slot of the session, of the day rather, which is where we celebrate the posters and we announce the winners of the poster prizes. So I hope you've enjoyed the posters. They are really fantastic, high quality. I would say that the competition is going from strength to strength, so it's a proud moment for those who win one of these prizes. Plus there's also some cash to go with it. But first of all, please could you give us some feedback on the organisation of the assembly and your ideas and thoughts for going forward. We do always take these very seriously and bring those into the design of the next assembly. One particular thing we tried to implement this time was having smaller panels, more time for discussion, and I hope that worked for all of you. We certainly had some really lively discussions in each of the three panels, so that was great. Okay, so please do fill in the feedback online following that link while we're doing this. But okay, so we have had how many posters? 54 posters in total, so thank you very much everyone for doing the posters. We've all been having a look at them and everyone's had an opportunity to vote for their posters. And then we have had a sort of final selection from some of our external experts. So, drum roll please. I would like to announce the third prize first. So the third prize is a prize of £100 in cash, and that is going to Yadong Han from the University of So please come to the front to receive your certificate. The money will follow. I promise.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, very good. Second prize. Okay, £100 cash for the second prize, and this one goes to Anna Holcomb, University of Exeter. Well done, thank you. Thanks. Very good. Okay, so that leaves us with the first prize. The prize here is £200, and the first prize is going to Liga Zhao of the University of Plymouth. So thank you very much, everybody, for those for posters and for contributing to the scoring. Really nice to see, and thank you everyone for your presentations as well. I think we've had a really lively discussion today. It's been great that the three panels we've had. I think we have achieved greater involvement of everyone in those discussions, so that's been really nice. We wanted to make the theme for this particularly about connecting up the pathways for innovation and research, really stressing the importance of underpinning research in supporting innovation and success for the sector, and linking it through to the activities that we can do within the hub, but also how we can connect that with other things that are other sort of initiatives that are taking place within the sector. And I think we've heard from some of these key bodies who are also working to develop new strategy or adapted strategy towards the current challenges in the current climate. So we've heard some detail about the changes at UKRI and what that's going to mean for all of us as a sector and how we can perhaps start positioning ourselves to support research challenges still within the offshore renewable energy sector. We've heard about the Crown Estate's activities around the future, the marine development plans and the future innovation strategy. We've heard about the GB Energy's plans for investment and innovation and funding for the sector. And of course, we've also heard about the Offshore Wind Growth Partnership, the IGP, and activities around all of that. We're very keen to make sure that the strategic research accelerator that we're working on with Supergen is really directly connected through into each of these initiatives. It's great that we've got all of these initiatives going on, but as we've heard from, I think, all of the panels, it's about collaboration, connecting, and working across teams, across disciplines, to create a diverse community. And then working together, we can go there, get there much faster. So a plea to everybody. We've heard some really good messages today. Let's make sure that we build on that and really work together to make sure we can make our ambitions all successful. So we do need to take whole systems approaches. We do need to get upskilled in AI, by the way. And we do need to understand one another's languages. So we need to work together across engineering, ecology, and even some oceanologists potentially. So I think this community is very well placed for those challenges. We are used to talking together. We are used to bringing together diverse communities and working across disciplines. And so I think we are very well placed for that whole system approaches to these global challenges. So I think those are some of the themes I've picked up today. I think we all should see ourselves as advocates for this sector as well. So positive stories, taking opportunities to talk to our families, our schools, our peers, take opportunities to write into the Telegraph if you want to. Let's all be advocates for our sector. Of course, we need to suit the narrative to the audience, as ever. Okay, and we've also seen that NESO have a placement opportunity, so thank you very much for that. That sounds really exciting too. Okay, well, I would like to thank Warwick for hosting us so nicely. It's been great to come to this campus and it's been very smoothly organised, so thank you, Zhao Wei and Rachel Dean and the rest of the team for that. A huge thank you as ever to the really hard work that goes into organising all of this, from Lee and from Rosie and from Rachel. Is Rachel in the room? Yes, hurrah. So let's just have a really big... Thank you very much for that. And of course there's another thing that's changed in this year, which I've actually forgot completely to mention, although you might have noticed it when I introduced myself. So I've moved to Oxford, and Supergen is now led from Oxford, but we have Plymouth still in the team, and we have Martin Hans, our new co-director. So Martin's up there at the back. If you haven't met Martin, then please make sure you do. So thank you everybody for coming. Look forward to seeing you again next time, and please do that. Thank you.